Hello, good morning students. So today we are going to solve linear equations using Cramer's rule. Okay, this is very important for your examination. Okay, so we are solving these equations using Cramer's rule. So they will ask you solve the equations using Cramer's rule. Okay, so this is very important for your examination. Okay, so let us solve it. Okay, while solving you come to know how to solve. This is very easy in fact, so let us do it. First what you have to do is write solution, then first you have to find determinant. Okay, determinant. So determinant, this is the symbol of determinant. As I told you earlier, delta is your determinant. So write down the coefficient of all these matrix. Okay, so determinant, first one is 2, second is 3. Okay, the z, that means -1. Okay, 1, then 1, again this is also 1, 3, -1, so -1. Okay, so you need to find out value of determinant first. So first is 2. Okay, this minus -1, 1 1, -1, likewise -3, this is this -3 is from your formula, right? So 3, okay, it's minor. Okay, 1 1, 3 -1. Okay, then here +1, but here we have -1, so we have to write -1. Okay, so this one is 1 1, 3 -1. Okay, now you have to solve this. 2, okay, 1 into 1 1, so -1. Okay, so -1 into 1 -1. Here we have -1 in your exam, this thing formula, so it comes minus plus 1. Okay, so again -3. Okay, so 1 into 1 1 into -1. Okay, here we have got minus in formula, so 3 into 1 3. Okay, again -1, then 1 into -1, here we have a formula minus here, and 3 into 1 3. Okay, so if you solve this, this one is -1 plus 1 0, so 2 into 0 -3. Okay, -3 plus -3 -4. Okay, then -1, then -1 -3, that is -4. Okay, so 2 into 0 0, then 3 into 4 12, so minus plus 12, this thing 4 into 1 4, minus plus, it will be 16. So determinant is 16, which is not is equal to 0. Okay, if determinant is not is equal to 0, then only we can use Cramer's rule. Okay, so I have written here, so Cramer's rule is apply, or you can also write Cramer's rule is applicable. Okay, so after this what you have to do is you have to find x, y and z. Okay, so x is equal to determinant 1 by determinant. Okay, d1 delta 1 divided by delta. So delta 1 is what? You have to ignore this now. First 2 1 and 3, this one you have to write this 9 and 1 -1 in first column. Okay, instead of writing 2 1 3, you have to write 9 -1. Okay, 9 -1. Okay, then straight away this 3 plus 1 and -1, 3 1 -1. Okay, then this one -1 1 and -1. Okay, so determinant, you have to drop this thing. Instead of this you have to put 9 1 -1. Okay, so again you have to solve this. So delta 1 is this, and delta we have already found, that is 16. Okay, so now 1 by 16 into this 9. Okay, this 9, its minor is 1 1 -1. Okay, so likewise -3. Okay, its minor is 9 1 -1. Okay, so this one -1 into this one, 9 1 -1. Okay, So in this way, further 9, 1 into 1 minus 1, minus is in our formula. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Then 3 minus 3, 9 minus 1. When you multiply, it will be minus 9 plus, okay, 1 into 1 minus 1. We have got formulas minus, so minus minus plus 1. Okay. Then minus 1, 9 into minus 1, that is minus 9. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1. We have formulas 1, formulas minus, so minus minus plus 1. Okay. So in that way, when you further solve this, it will be 1 by 16 divide into 9 into minus 1 plus 1 0. Okay. This will be 24 and this will be 8. Okay. So it will be 24 plus 8 is 32. 32 divided by 16 is equal to 2. Okay. So x, value of x is 2. Okay. Now y is equal to delta 2. Here you have written delta 1. Here you have to write what? Delta 2. Okay. Delta 2 by delta. We have got delta is 16. Okay. 16. We found that. Now delta 2 is, you have to ignore this second. Okay. First you have to write this 2 1 3. Okay. 2 1 3. Then straightway, instead of writing this, you have to write 9 minus 1. Okay. Then this one minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. You solve this. Okay. Further you have to find determinant of delta 2. Okay. It will be like this only. You can solve this. So eventually it will be 48 divided by 16. That means 3. So y will be 3. Okay. The value of y is 3. Okay. So you found x, y. Now we have to find z. Okay. Let us find z. Okay. Okay. Z is what? Delta 3 by delta. Okay. So delta is 16. You know that 1 by 16. In bracket you have to find delta 3. Okay. So delta 3 is what? You have to ignore this. Instead of this, you have to write 9 9 1. Okay. So simply you have to write 2 1 3, then 3 1 minus 1. Then instead writing z 1 1 1, you have to write 9 9 minus 1. Okay. So solve it. It will be 1 by 16. You have to solve furthermore. Okay. It will be like this. Okay. Then 1 by 16. Further it will be 64 by 16. So when you divide 64 by 16, it will be 4. So your value of z is 4. Okay. Value of z is 4. So we solve this equation using Cramer's rule. Okay. The value of x is 2. Value of y is what? 3. And value of z is what? 4. Okay. This is how you have to solve this. And you can also check your answer. Okay. Whether your answer is correct or not, you can check. Okay. By putting in any one of the equation here. Okay. If your LHS and RHS will tally, then you can think that your answer is correct. Okay. So our value of x is 2, y is 3 and z is 4. No. So put the values of x, y, z in equation 1. Okay. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Okay. So 2 value is 2. No. Plus 3 into value is 3 minus 4 is equal to 9. No. Okay. So 4 plus 9 minus 4 is equal to 9. So 4 plus 4. So it will be 9 LHS and RHS. So tally. So this is your answer. Answer is correct. Okay. This is how you can check your answer using Cramer's rule. So please try at home. Okay. Very important. You can solve it. Okay. Now I can give you one more example, okay, of Cramer's rule. Suppose question is like this: solve by Cramer's rule. So 2 by x, okay, plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. This is the question. This is equation 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Then 1 by x minus 1 by y plus 2 by z is equal to minus 1. Then third one is 3 by x plus 2 by y minus 1 by z. 1 by z is equal to 4. So this is the question. You have to solve this question using Cramer's rule. Okay. So here you can see this is in numerator and denominator. So you have to convert this. Okay. So how are you going to solve? You have to assume let 1 by x is equal to, suppose assume u, 1 by y is equal to v, and 1 by z is equal to w. Okay, in this way you can assume. If you assume, then you can put, instead of writing 1 by x, you can write u. So solution. Okay, this is the thing. You have to write this in your answer also. Okay, so 2u, instead of writing 2 by x, you can write now 2u, because we have assumed 1 by x is equal to u. Okay, plus 1 by y is equal to v. Okay, plus 1 by z is equal to w is equal to 1. Okay, now this one is z, this is u minus v plus 2z. Third one is 3u plus 2v, okay, minus what? W. Okay, w. Okay, this is what? This is not z, this is w. No, we have assumed. Okay, so is equal to what? Is equal to, this is minus 1, this is 4. Okay, so you got new equation. Okay, now easily you can solve by Cramer's rule. First you have to find out delta. Okay, it should not be is equal to 0. Then you can use Cramer's rule. Then find out delta 1. Okay, delta 2, delta 3. Okay, then x is equal to delta 1 by delta, y is equal to delta 2 by delta, z is equal to, you have to find not x, first you have to find u, v, w. Okay, u, v, w is equal to what? Delta 3 by delta. Okay, in this way you can find u, v, w. Okay, and the whatever value comes, you just put here, you can find the value of x, y, z. Okay, so please try at home.